What drone do you own? Do you use any angle filters with your drone? If no, you definitely should buy some. In this video I'm going to show how you can change your angle filters on your drone. So I'm going to be using my DJI Mini 3 Pro and DJI R2S. So if you got one of them drones, I'm gonna show you how you can change them. It's pretty easy. It's not rocket science. I'm gonna show you how you can change your angle filters on your drone. So let's start with DJI Mini 3 Pro. So I got this camera protection. So you take it off, and as you can see here, that's the actual camera. So what you're gonna have to do, and that's angle filters. So what you're gonna have to do, well, prepare which one you want to use, and what you have to do, you're gonna have to hold the camera still. So you'll have to hold it, and you're gonna say a very small click. So here you go. I took them off, and depending on the day, obviously, you'll have to choose an angle filter. Most of the time, I'm using ND64 on a sunny day, so I'm quite happy with that. So let's put this one on. So same again, you need to make sure you're holding the camera so you don't break it or you don't damage it. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. So here you go. So it's same again. If you put angle filter and you kind of pressing, but like turning. So on my side will be on my left. So you see, will be on the left, like that. And like, can you see now? It's on, and it's pretty solid as well. So same again, if you want to take it off, you hold the camera, and you just take it off, like that, on your right now. So you turn it like that, boom, and it should come off. And to put this one back, it's same again. Just put it on, and on your left. Here you go. As you can see, it's all on. And let's have a look now with DJI R2S. So as you can see, here you go. I got my drone here, taking the lens protection, and it's pretty much same principle. You just hold the camera. It's a bit more. Just same again on your right. Take it off. As you can see, it's off now. We'll get rid of them. You don't need them. And them ones I'm using from DJI for my R2S, as you can see. So same again, on my R2S, I'm most of the time using ND filter 32. So here you go, the ND filter. So we're gonna start to put on. Same again, you can see it has them pins here. See, so you need to go in the hole. As you can see, the in, and you just need to turn it to your left. As you can see, it's on now. It's ready to go. Same principle to take it off. Hold the camera still, and you literally just on your right. Turn to your right, and you will get it off. Put it back in the case. That's it. Put it back on the side, and we're gonna start to put this one back. Here you go. Same again, to your left, and it's on. As you can see, it's pretty easy. It's well, it's an easy tutorial for you if you don't know how to change them. But make sure you, when you change them, make sure you hold the camera very careful. So you also do want to damage it. You don't really want to damage a 1,000-pound camera, drone actually. So I'm gonna put this one back. So here you go. Here you go. So I've showed you on how to change the ND filter on Mini 3 Pro and Air2S. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and if you like it, feel free to subscribe to my. I have purchased a DJI Ava as well. However, I still haven't purchased any ND filters for it, so I won't be able to show you how to change it. I think it's on him might be a bit different, but I'm gonna show you once I'm gonna find out.